Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I just have a really cute and fast and easy tag for you today. I'm doing the 12 tags of Christmas and I think that sometimes we get a little overwhelmed with things and we think, oh gosh, I don't know. You don't have to, everything doesn't have to be fancy or super sweet. I guess super sweet is still a nice thing, and you know what I'm saying. I'm just not going to talk about that because I'm being weird. But you can make these as big or as small as you want. I'm going to go with 2.5 inches, and this is literally a piece of scrap paper that I have in my stash. You will see this in other projects that I've used because it's just pretty paper, and I like to use it, and it seems like it just keeps growing. I seem to just have scraps of that around. So I'm going to want this to be about, I don't know, I cut this at 2.5. Let's just make it square. Okay, so I'm going to cut it at 5 inches this way, and then I'm going to score it at 2.5 inches. And looky here, there is a tag already. And to just spruce it up a little bit, you can take a punch. This one is shaped like a star. Of course, you don't have to use a star-shaped punch. You can use whatever shape you might want, or you can just not even use a shape, but I thought a shape might be cute, and I thought the star was cute since these were trees. And it makes the twine easier to go through, but you could just use a regular small punch or whatever you want. And then all you have to do is attach your twine, and you are ready to go. I mean, that's as easy as it gets. I'm just going to attach this like this, push this through both of them, and voila. You have your little tag, and you can just write on there, Merry Christmas to whoever, from whoever, and it's just really cute and fast and easy, and I mean, it's almost not even something to show, but it might be something that somebody hasn't thought of. You could even do this with leftover wrapping paper. If you wanted to make it with your own wrapping paper, if it was white on the inside especially, or craft colored on the inside, but a lot of wrapping paper is white as long as it doesn't have the cut lines on it, you're good to go. I mean, that's as easy as it gets. And it's fun, and it's just cute. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.